Hey everybody, used car values are dropping fast. So come on into Ed Payne Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram and check out our inventory of pre-owned vehicles, including this pre-owned 2020 Jeep Gladiator. We're rocking a 3.6 liter V6. So guess what? This isn't no little inline four. It's V6 power. And guess what? That enables this Gladiator to tow up to 4,500 pounds at the hitch. We got that classic Jeep styling on the front, also factory Jeep wheels, rolling on Bridgestone Dueler radials. We've got a step side here, and also a light brown Cordoba leather interior. Of course, we have our AM/FM stereo Sirius XM for all your Apple Play and Android Auto needs. And back here, the still matching up, and of course with a removable top. And we have a color matched roll bar and stereo system, so you can go topless in your Jeep Gladiator. Rear air and also USB for your passengers. Coming on back here, we're going to drop the tailgate because it is a Gladiator. We have a coated bed with LED lighting inside, tie down points. Put a camper on it. Hey, if you want to upfit your Jeep, come to us right here at Ed Payne Chrysler Dodge Jeep.